What I'm explaining here, very important point, that present condition of the universe, present different laws, different rules and regulations, what we are having in the field of education, in politics, in business, in a religious field, we are finding very, very difficult to live with that. Now we want expansion. Therefore, when you are in America, you have no any right to speak about God and Bible in the colleges, in the universities, because they believe, scientists believe, that in the name of God, in the name of churches, in the name of Bible, all our expansion is being reduced and we are experiencing very limited consciousness. Therefore, scientists of American and Canadian, they have made a law that if you want religious department, there will be one faculty, but you are not allowed to talk about God, about religion and about Bible anywhere in the school and college. Because that is reducing the consciousness of human evolution. Now, why it is all happening? I am just explaining you very clearly and you will understand it very clearly. Let us imagine egg of hen. Within egg, chicken is growing, embryo is growing. And little embryo thinks that this egg is so vast and infinite that a small embryo present in the egg experience the existence of egg is so big. Then after some times, that embryo starts growing and keep on growing, and a time comes that a small embryo becomes little big chicken inside and it starts crying that now this is too small. We are not able to stay in this. The boundary wall of the egg is now very small and there is a great stress, and inside that egg there is a cry, you will listen many murmuring sound. Then mother comes and breaks the shell. Then that chicken with all joy starts running outside and enjoying the vast community of this sky. In the same way, present rules regulation in the field of spirituality, religion, and in the philosophy, and in the politics, in day-to-day living, are so small that we are feeling stress in that. Now we want to break our shell. We want to breathe in the sky of infinite. And how to do that? Kriya Yoga meditation is the mother that will break this shell and you will be free. And it is so simple to practice. If you cannot practice in sitting position, in lying position you can practice. In lying, sitting, standing, in working and resting, all the time you can practice in the most effective way. Because I have experienced it. Most of my practice is in the movement. Sometimes if I have to turn my senses off, then I need sitting and lying position. Otherwise, in majority time, I am able to practice it all the time while working. Therefore, remember, now we are in very peaceful condition because solution is there. And practice is very, very simple, simplest of simple, and result 100%. I can say 200%. You will surprise that persons who are sitting here. They are having only 5% knowledge of the Kriya Yoga, but they demonstrated complete healing of diabetes, blood pressure, arthritis and many illness, sickness of the thyroid, many things which are incurable in the field of medical science. With having only 5% knowledge of this Kriya Yoga meditation, Now they are relieved from those problems. Imagine if they will know 100% what will happen, that they will work like Krishna, they will work like Jesus Christ. Therefore now we are very happy, we are very joy. We have all joy, infinite joy. But remember one thing, never say this is garbage, never say this is dirt, never say this is bad. Any smallest particle of the creation is having the same structural unit, omnipotent consciousness.